Okay, this is a little bit. The whole world now knows that I am not very artistic or neat. I'm not a line kind of guy, you know. Things are kind of like this way, this way, this way. So I apologize to the world for my not neat charts. We'll get over it, okay? Okay, now, so I think we can work down here. Can you see my hand down here on the?
Yeah.
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 You can't?
Kind of. Alphabet.
All right, let me see if I can pull it down a little bit. Okay, that's not bad. Yeah, you can see my hand. Okay, so what I'll do is, this is the story. Cl2, that's the particle. Neon, that's the particle. F2, that's the particle. O2, that's the particle. And this is going to be 42 moles, and we're going to run right through this. Okay? So these first are going to be, this is 42 moles. Don't forget, they don't put that in. You know what? We'll let it go today. But you got to put the unit labels in. Okay? I'll be nice today. This is going to be 85 grams. That's going to be 1.8 times 10 to the 26. And then this is going to be 43 liters, right? Yes, do you get that? All right, so what's the mass of 42 moles? So get out your calculators and let's do this, okay? So what is 42 times the mass, right? So that's 70, 35 and 35, right? Cl is 35, that's the mass number. So 70. What's 42 times 70? Who's got it? Mr. 43, you got it?
2,940.
2,904? 14. 2,940, okay? Now, there's 42 moles, right? Each mole has a volume of 22.4. So what is 42 times 22.4? Round it to ones place for me. Mark, you got that? 43 is just thought he was done, you know, do one problem, you know, yeah, we know your type. Yeah, and we want to give it to Denmark over there. Give it to Denmark, let him do it. 42 times 22.4, what do we got there, Simon?
Times 40.
42 times 22.4. Were you in this class 20 minutes ago? What is it?
940.8.
940.941. Can we say that? 941. Is that okay? All right. What is? Oh, sorry, we put it the wrong line. Sorry. No, not that. 941 liters. Okay. And how many particles is that? What's 42 times 6.0 times 10 to the 23rd? What is that? 42 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. What do we got? Yeah. What's just that number? Just do it. 42 times 6.02. 42 times 6.02. That's all I want you to do.
252.
252?
0.84.
So 253. Is that okay? So it'll be 253 times 10 to the 23rd particles. If you want to change that to 2.53 times 10 to the 25, or, you know, it's equivalent, you can do that. But you got to make sure that it's the same. Yes?
If I just put abbreviated by using E instead of times 10.
That's fine. That's fine. But don't do that in the future, please. Come on. Okay. All right, we're done that one. Now, 85 grams. How many moles is that? Each mole is, neon is 20 grams, right? So what is 85 divided by 20? 4.2 mole, all right? So what about the volume of that gas? It's 4.2 moles. What's 4.2 times 22.4? Quickly, guys. What's 42 times 22.4?
94.08.
What is it?
94.
94? 94. 94 liters. Okay. What is 4.2 times 6.02? What is it? What is 4.2 times 6.02. Anybody got it? Genevieve?
No, actually, for the volume on that one, if they used 4.25, it would be 95.2.
That's fine, as long as you're near. No, that's right. We have round off error. Okay, in other words, if they had 95 here because they used 4.25, that's fine. You're going to know, see, this is one of the things in calculations, okay? We can't use significant figures because we don't know a lot about how the numbers were measured. So 2 to 3 significant figures. So you're going to get round off differences with these calculations, as long as they're close, okay? If they're off by 30, then you know that it's not round off error, right? But good point, Jen. All right, so what is this, guys? Come on.
25.2 and more, so 25.
All right, I need it rounded to tenth place. Don't give me all these significant figures.
25.3.
What is it?
25.3.
All right, 20, so say 25. Is that okay?
Yep.
Round it to ones place, okay? Okay? All right, now, what is 1.8 times 10 to the 26 divided by, so it's put that in your calculator. Put in your calculator 1.8 times 10 to the 26 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Put that in your calculator.
29.9.
What is it?
29.9.
29.9. So that's how many moles it is. 29.9 moles. So let's say, can we say 30 moles? Can we say that? 30 moles. All right, so what's 30 moles? What's 30 times 19, and 19 is 38, right? 38 grams, right, in 1 mole. So what's 38 times 30? 38 times 30.
1,140.
What is it?
1,140.
1,140 grams. Okay, we're almost done. Hang in there, guys. What's 30 times 22.4? 30 times 22.4. 30 times 22.4.
672.
672. Okay. What's 43? 43. What's 43 divided by 22.4? 43 divided by 22.4. What is it? 1.9. Can we say 2? Is that okay? 1.92. You're going to get round off error, okay? And so what is 2 times 32? 16 is 16, right? Right? So what is 2 times 32?
64.
All right, now, what is 2 times 6.02? That's 12.04 times 10 to 23 particles. Okay, one each. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4, 16. So it's going to be n over 16. Now, make sure you take your time. You're going to be late to your next class by just a couple of minutes. I want you to do this. Check X. Check X. Don't forget, there might be round off error. We're off. Okay? Finish grading.